This isn't your house. It's not your house. I'm the police. This isn't your house. Okay?
What am I doing?
You're in someone else's house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so come here.
Alright, here, go. You're really breaking my eyes. What
Here.
am I doing wrong?
You're in somebody else's house, bud. You're in somebody else's house.
I agree with it.
Alright, so come here. Come here.
What am I doing wrong?
You're good. You're in somebody else's house.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on.
Come on. You're good.
Wait.
You're in somebody else's house.
Wait, listen.
Come here.
Listen.
Come here.
Listen. You're
Hands behind your back.
You're.
Hands behind your back. Get on the ground.
What?
Get on the ground.
What the fuck am I doing? Okay. I'm fine.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hand behind your back.
What am I doing wrong? I was just hanging out for a minute. What are you doing to me? Hold on, son. What are you doing to me?
Bring your other hand behind you now.
Everything.
Now!
Jesus Christ! What am I doing wrong? What have I done wrong, Mom? Why?
Stop!
All right, it's fine. You do whatever you want to me. Why is the reason that you're really supplying me with?
One detained.
Huh? What's happening right now? Listen. What did I do?
Roll over. Roll over. Get on your butt. Get on your butt. Come here. Get on your butt. Get on your butt. You got any weapons on you?
Listen.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Of course I don't. Of course I don't. I'm just a fucking guy just hanging out. What's happening right now? What's happening right now?
Move your leg over here. Stand up.
It's fine.
Roll over.
You can take everything you want from me.
Great. Stand up.
What do I have to get?
Stand up now.
Alright, what?
Roll to your right.
Wait, hold on. It's hard for me to stand up right now.
John, help me out. Which house?
What is happening?
Stand up.
And
Stand
the
up now.
You're standing there.
I will
Roll to
stand
your
up.
right.
If
I
one of them
will
now, go to
stand
the
up, but
backyard,
why-
Turn to the right. He's
Fine, just
back
stay here
there
for a
on that back porch.
Why are you fucking coming after me?
Put your legs out. We're gonna wait for the officer.
I mean, I'm perfectly willing to stand up, but
You're
why?
gonna have to jump the fence. I don't know if there's another access point.
Listen. Why
This
does
isn't your
anybody
house.
give a fuck about me?
You're drunk? This isn't your house.